what should a customer consider when they're thinking about this strategy for their company of where they go? What should a customer be considering, and what are you hearing customers now considering for AI in general and edge specifically as they try to plot their future in this business?
Yeah, maybe I can start. I think if you're a customer thinking about, how do I get started in this? Number one, AI is not just a technology, but it's a capability. I think you need to think about it in context of what can it enable for your business. So it becomes part and parcel of your business strategy. So if you're not thinking about it in that context, then I think it becomes a project it becomes a science project, if you will, right? So I think it has to become part of your business strategy as you're thinking about how do you take advantage of AI, because that is going to become a competitive differentiator for you in the marketplace. And a lot of companies are doing this. So if you're not already thinking in those terms, you need to speed up. So that's number one. Number two is, as you think about deploying AI in your environment or in different use cases, you have to look at it, like I said, from a complete stack standpoint. What is the hardware capabilities? What is the orchestration and management capabilities? And then what is the software capabilities that you want to build on top of that? Whether you're buying software from an ISV or to solve a particular use case, or you're internally building. My guess is going to probably be doing both in your future, right? So whatever software stack you pick has to be flexible. It has to be one that is ubiquitous. So you can run it at the edge, you can run it in the cloud, you can run it in your data center, and it has to be available with a lot of your ecosystem partners like Advantech and others, right? So I think that's what I would consider if I'm a customer looking at getting into AI.